If you want to close background apps on POCO F7, first of all, we need to open background apps. So if you use buttons for navigation, you need to press this square button in order to open the list of apps that are running in the background. This is also called recents. And if you use gestures for navigation, then in this case, you need to swipe from the bottom of the phone, from the middle over here, swipe towards the middle like this, and then you can lift your finger after half a second or so, and you should be able to open the list of background apps. We also have two styles for background apps, vertical and horizontal. In this case, you might need to swipe left or right in order to close an app. However, if you switch from vertical to horizontal, then in that case you need to swipe up in order to close an app. Of course, besides that, we also have this X button that allows you to close every app that is opened in the background, except the one that you just used. So for example, if you open background apps from this app, then every app besides this one will be closed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.